Hi parents. This is the third way to show them how to do subtraction with regrouping without using the quote-unquote stacking method, or this is the standard algorithm that we learned from. So you can take 65, and then if you have 65 minus 27, so you can take away 20. And sometimes it's hard for them to understand that this 2 is worth 20. That's why the standard algorithm is, we just kind of stay away from it, because of when you say 5 minus 7, so you can't, and then they have to make the exchange, they don't know why they're doing that. And so we want them to understand why they're doing it first. So, and we've shown them regrouping and things like that. So the easiest thing is 65 minus 20, and then so you have 45, and then you take 45, and then your 7, you can, so if I have 45, it's easy to go from 45 to 40, so you subtract 5, and so that's 40. And then if you take 40 minus 2, and then you can get 38. So, and they need to know where these numbers come from. And some of them are not ready for this yet, to break it apart like this. I have some in the class that are, some are not. But this is the third method that you can show them without using the standard algorithm. And I know it's a lot more work, quote unquote, and but really developmentally they're not ready for it. And if I hadn't seen it with my own daughter, because at first I was like, why don't they do, why don't they stack and just regroup like we were taught? But I mean, I saw it with my own daughter, and she didn't understand it. So when she learned this way, she understood better. So anyway, have a good weekend. Thank you for all y'all do.